Artificial intelligence is rapidly evolving. No longer science fiction, AI is now reality. It's changing how we work, live, and interact. From self-driving cars to medical diagnoses, AI is everywhere. This technology has the potential to solve some of humanity's biggest challenges, but it also raises important ethical concerns. The future is uncertain. Will AI be a force for good? Will it lead to a better future for everyone? Or will AI create new problems? These are questions we must consider as we enter this new age of intelligent machines. The decisions we make today will shape the future of humanity. We must proceed with caution and foresight. One of the biggest concerns about AI is job displacement. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it can automate tasks previously done by humans. This has already happened in manufacturing and customer service. Many fear widespread job losses as AI takes over.
This anxiety is understandable. Work is fundamental to our lives. It provides income, purpose, and identity.
The fear of automation is not new. Throughout history, technological advancements have displaced workers, but they have also created new jobs and industries. The challenge is to manage this transition effectively. We need to ensure that workers are not left behind. This requires investment in education, training, and social safety nets. While AI may displace some jobs, it will also create new ones, leading to a dynamic shift in the job market landscape. These new jobs will be in areas like AI development, data science, and robotics, which are rapidly growing fields. These are high-skilled jobs that require specialized training and a deep understanding of technology. This highlights the importance of continuous education and reskilling to keep up with technological advancements. We need to equip people with the skills they need to succeed in the AI-powered economy, ensuring they are not left behind.
Government, educational institutions, and businesses all have a crucial role to play in this transition. Governments should invest in education and training programs to prepare the workforce for future demands. Educational institutions need to adapt their curricula to meet the evolving demands of the new job market. Businesses can provide on-the-job training and apprenticeships, fostering a culture of continuous learning. By working together, we can ensure that everyone has the opportunity to thrive in the age of AI, creating a more inclusive and prosperous future for all.
Section 4. The Ethical Maze of AI. In this section, we delve into the intricate and often perplexing ethical challenges posed by artificial intelligence. One of the most pressing ethical concerns is algorithmic bias. This occurs when AI systems, trained on historical data, inadvertently learn and perpetuate existing prejudices.
AI systems are trained on massive amounts of data. These data sets are often so large and complex that they require significant computational power to process. If this data reflects existing biases, the AI system will learn and perpetuate them. This can lead to unfair outcomes in various applications.
This can have serious consequences, particularly in areas like criminal justice, healthcare, and finance. In these fields, biased AI decisions can affect people's lives in profound ways. For example, an AI system used to predict recidivism rates might unfairly target individuals from certain demographics. This could lead to unjust sentencing and exacerbate existing inequalities.
Another concern is the lack of transparency in AI decision-making. When AI systems make decisions, it is often unclear how they arrived at those conclusions. AI systems can be complex and opaque. This opacity makes it difficult for users and regulators to understand the decision-making process. It can be difficult to understand how they reach their conclusions. This lack of clarity can hinder efforts to ensure fairness and accountability.
This lack of transparency can make it difficult to hold AI systems accountable for their actions. Without understanding the underlying logic, addressing errors or biases becomes a significant challenge. If an AI system makes a mistake or acts unfairly, it can be challenging to identify the cause of the problem and prevent it from happening again. This underscores the need for greater transparency and accountability in AI development and deployment.
Section 5. Building responsible AI. Addressing these ethical concerns is crucial. We need to develop ethical guidelines for AI development and deployment.
These guidelines should address issues like algorithmic bias, transparency, and accountability. We also need to develop mechanisms for enforcing these guidelines.
This will require collaboration between governments, industry, and civil society. One approach is to promote diversity in the AI field. A more diverse workforce can help mitigate bias in AI systems.
We also need to develop technical solutions for detecting and correcting bias. This includes techniques for auditing AI systems and making their decision-making processes more transparent.
Finally, we need to educate the public about AI and its potential impact on society. Section 6. A future of collaboration. The rise of AI is a defining moment in human history, marking a new era of technological advancement and human potential. It presents both challenges and opportunities, pushing us to rethink our approaches and innovate in ways we never imagined before.
While it is natural to fear the unknown, we should not let fear paralyze us. AI is a tool, a powerful one that can transform our lives. Like any tool, it can be used for good or ill. The responsibility lies with us to guide its use towards positive outcomes. It is up to us to ensure that AI is used for the benefit of humanity, fostering innovation while safeguarding ethical standards.
The future is not predetermined. It is a canvas waiting for us to paint with our collective vision and effort. It is up to us to shape it, to decide how we want to integrate AI into our lives and society. By embracing a spirit of collaboration and responsibility, we can harness the power of AI to create a better future for everyone, ensuring no one is left behind.
We can use AI to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, from climate change to poverty, making a significant impact on global challenges. The key is to proceed with caution, wisdom, and a commitment to ethical principles, ensuring that our advancements are aligned with our values.
The future is ours to create, a future where AI and humanity coexist harmoniously, driving progress and prosperity for all.